Bruh, do free if I die. What the hell? What the hell? So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today is Wednesday, and in the morning today I invited Affan for some business talk. So he said that I will come after 3:30. So already the time is 3:45. So he is downstairs waiting for us. So we'll pick our laptop and then we go downstairs. So let's go. So here we are with Affan Kashif. How are you, bro? Not good. He is not well. Actually, he is kind of sick. He has some fever, right? Yesterday I had the fever. That's why I didn't record any video. I just edit the badminton video and found every single blooper that I could and edited that and posted that. And now we are just playing some Minecraft, as you can see. Bro doesn't like Minecraft because some months ago we lost a server, and yep, sad story, sad. Very sad story. Maybe we will tell uh, somewhere someday else. You know. So here we have this stand like tripod. Bro is showing anything for content. So guys, this is the glass that is made up of glass. You know what? How does the glass made? Like you firstly take some sand and put in microwave or somewhere. Microwave. And burn it to like 1,000 Celsius. And when you put anything in that sand, it becomes a glass, right? This guy told me when we were in 5th class. We are thinking. What were you saying that this week who is coming with us? Prithvi. Prithvi. I mean, he told me that he's going to come. He's interested. So that means how many people are we now? You, me, Rizwan, Abdul Ghani, possibly Munib, and Prithvi. Six. We are 6 people now. That means I need to take cinematics of all 6 people. 6 multiplied by 3. 6 multiplied by 3. 18. Like, 3 multiplied by 3 shots. Like I will be taking the cinematics of 3 maybe shots. We are going to play badminton again. Prithvi was excited to play badminton. Previous week I just I forgot to take some cinematics. I had to I wanted to add those in those clips in those videos, but I didn't record any clip. But I'm thinking to record those clips in recent in upcoming match. I will record and maybe I will put some elements of After Effects. Because bro is teaching me After Effects very much. I'm a sensei of After Effects. Yep, sensei. Sensei. So bro and I was just talking, and in the middle of talking, in the middle of conversation, he said, "Let's have a conversation. Like let's have a deep conversation." What can we talk about on your channel? Maybe we can talk about business thing because we do that. Okay, let's talk about the business topic. So, what do you think that to do business should we get the specific study of that, or should we directly go into the practical life and learn from there? That's an interesting question because in both scenarios you are going to get experience. I mean, you can try doing practical work before so that you can have first hand experience, but watching videos on YouTube like we do and gain experience online, that's a good way to do it as well, and then apply those things in your own way. But if you talk about like as in our age, like we are barely 18, like I am 18 and you are barely 18. Yeah. And we are doing both the things, like we are watching the videos and we are doing practical work. We are doing the practical as well. But what about the person who is old enough, like uh, younger than us? Yeah, of course. Not younger than, sorry, older than us, like 25 or 30. If you have the opportunity to do first hand practical work with anyone, as in probably as an intern job or something, you can do that. Of course, we cannot do that yet. We don't have the opportunities to do practical work yet. Not to hire the mentor as well. Yeah, so we just watch videos on YouTube to. But you could also argue that
in at certain point you just have the time to watch the videos and not the practical work. Rather, like for example, if a person is doing job and suddenly he decided that I just want to start a business, and for the business he need to quit the job, and what is the next step for him now?
He doesn't have to quit the job. He can gain knowledge partially by also continuing his job. That's not a good idea to drop your job and then continue business. That the better idea is to gain knowledge as you are doing job as well.
But
Continue
what
the
if he
job.
doesn't have that much time? Like if he's giving in Pakistan, if he's giving like from 8 to 8,
i
like 8
i
to
said
10.
I think these are very low conceptions, because gaining knowledge is very easy these days. You just need to watch some YouTube videos. They are not longer than an hour or something. Watching YouTube videos and gaining knowledge is very easy these days, so it's probably an excuse to say that I don't have enough time to learn anything.
But
You always
what
have.
if I say like if a person like me who doesn't have any knowledge about business and the career and the fields, so if I'm quitting my job, like if I'm doing a job and I feel like that I should start a business, where should I go? Because I don't know anything, and if I spend some time in learning the things, that where am I, going through, like what do I have the interest, like these kind of things. So what will we do?
You would try to gain knowledge. I think
But
YouTube.
still I don't have enough time, like I need to you know
Bro, what are
do
you
the
doing
job
for the whole day? There's no way that you don't have enough time to learn anything.
if I'm doing job
Yeah, job is 9 to 5.
in Pakistan. Are you talking about in Pakistan?
That still is 9 to 5.
It's more than that, I think.
No.
Like in from 10 to like 8 to maybe 10 to
Still,
7 or 8 something.
even if it's more than 9 to 5, you still have half of your day.
But you still believe that you should be doing the practical and practical thing and the study as well, like knowledge, gaining
Yeah,
knowledge.
doing both at the same time. Yes, if you have the opportunity to do that.
At their school, if the person doesn't have the time to do practical, then like for example he's doing job and he has the only source of income is job,
Hmm.
and he want to start the business and he has gained the knowledge. Now what's the next step? Because in business you gotta be very focused on that,
Hmm.
especially in the beginning. So what should be the next step for him?
Maybe you should just invest your money into some other already.
Bro, he has only one source of income. How can he even invest so much money on that? Like even we haven't invested anything in
Because
that,
we don't have any income source.
right?
He does have. A job is a proper income source.
Bro, job is not sufficient for him. That's why he's starting the business. What the heck?
Yeah, but if you don't have enough time for the business, then why are you doing this? It doesn't make any sense. If you're going to put time in both things, that then you're going to do a business. You can't just drop your job and then taking all the risks and then doing business. What if your business doesn't work? Then what?
Bro is on to nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough for today, right? I think that's enough. That was a good talk. Maybe some people will unsubscribe after listening to this. That's the demotivation video. All right, so guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have watched till here, otherwise, no problem. See you in the next one. Bye.